keep consistent growing or doing the big jumps in the growth is always what is challenge and what is every company should look for. Recently, we launched the marketplace in France, opening up this for other vendors and suppliers. And now we are in a phase of analyzing what to improve and then make the next step to scale it to the other countries. Since we are set as a central team and we are having like 2,000 to 3,000 products, like microservices or different scale products. The main challenge is to provide the standard for all our users and to make them understand how to correctly use Elasticsearch. So we are ingesting about 50,000 logs per second from different sources like cloud. So all Elastic is on Elastic Cloud in AWS. Elastic, comparing for our case to the other competitors, is feature rich, plus taking into account, of course, migration from old to new, which kinda double or triple the price. And every time when we find it out and discover that it is possible to change or adjust to our need, this is one of the key points we like in Elastic. Observability is about like observing and what you have if you don't observe problems, especially in a scale we have, you are getting more and more need of having especially centralized platforms where everything comes together and you not only can quickly identify root cause, but also correlate different things together. And that's what Elastic Observability helps us to do.